Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to autofill dates in your Google Sheets. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to write the starting date in the first column. For example, I want to write this date and then you have to click on format and then click on numbers. And here you will see a separate pane. Then here you can see time and date. If you want to autofill date, then just click on date and then just drag it to the number to which you want to increase the date. For example, I want to drag it till this. Then you can see our autofill date has been added. So guys, in this way you can autofill dates in the Google Sheets. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.